What is the music like in normal people? What is the music like in normal people? This question opens the door to a rich exploration of how sound shapes the storytelling in this acclaimed series. The music in normal people plays a vital role in reflecting Ireland's modern cultural identity while enhancing the emotional depth of the narrative. The soundtrack features a blend of indie, folk, and contemporary tracks, with a strong focus on Irish artists, creating a soundscape that feels both personal and connected to the place. Irish musicians are at the forefront of this soundtrack. Artists like Villagers, Wild Youth, and Fionn Regan contribute their unique sounds. For example, the track Everything I Am Is Yours by Villagers captures the themes of vulnerability and connection that are central to the story. Similarly, Fionn Regan's song Can't Move On resonates with the emotional journey of the characters. The score, composed by Stephen Rennicks, uses minimalist piano melodies and ambient textures to underscore key moments. This approach evokes the quiet intensity of the relationships portrayed in the series. The emotional instrumentals create an atmosphere that allows viewers to feel the weight of each scene. The soundtrack also features a nostalgic yet contemporary mix. Iconic tracks like Imogen Heap's Hide and Seek Sit alongside modern indie cuts, bridging different moods and generations. This mirrors the vibrant music scene in Ireland, where traditional influences coexist with global trends. For travelers, the music serves as a gateway to Ireland's creative pulse. The inclusion of artists like Mango X Mathman and Lisa Hannigan highlights Dublin's thriving indie scene. Visitors can immerse themselves in this culture by attending live gigs or exploring local record stores. If you are inspired by the soundtrack, consider visiting Dublin venues like Whelan's or the Workman's Club. These spots often feature similar artists and provide a taste of the local music scene. Additionally, the vinyl releases of the score is available at specialty shops, offering a tangible memento of Ireland's storytelling through music. The raw and introspective quality of the music mirrors the show's exploration of youth and identity. This makes it a compelling companion for anyone looking to understand Ireland's contemporary cultural heartbeat. The soundtrack not only enhances the viewing experience but also invites listeners to connect with the essence of Irish culture.